Hey guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Who does not like to sleep during long drives? This air mattress is a must-have for road trips. You can quickly turn the back of your car into a warm bed. Made of high-quality PVC, you just need to connect it to the car lighter socket. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it inflated, and you're good to go for a sleep. Want to cover up bad smells in your car with minimum effort? You just need to install this invisible car air freshener once, and it will mask all odors from cigarette smoke to food spills. This freshener will look like a part of your car and not disrupt its style, while making your driving experience a refreshing one. Another plus point is that it will not interfere with the ventilation system of your car. Monitoring the health of your car battery is one of the most overlooked aspects of car maintenance. A car battery tester is the most efficient tool to ensure your car is safe before traveling. With a great design, precise reading, easy operation, complete functions, this battery tester displays readings on a large LCD and hints by sound and light when testing. Are you thinking about leveling up the exterior of your car? These carbon fiber spoilers will do the trick. These got a lightweight construction and can be easily installed. Moreover, if you believe in the need for speed, these spoilers are your perfect companion because they enable more grip at high speeds by spoiling the airflow to reduce its negative effects. Another tech-savvy gadget to upgrade your car. Gone are the times when it was a feature of high-end cars. Now this gadget has become inexpensive and can decorate any car. The most interesting part about this receiver is that it can be connected without a cable, and with the size this small, you can easily carry it anywhere. This gadget is a wonder of technology. It provides you with the feature to record moments of your driving journey, making it all effortless for you to claim your insurance in case of any accident. And if you live in a place where it fogs or rains every other day, this mirror will then prove to be your best friend. It is very easy to use, and you do not need to install any software for it. Long drives can be exhausting, and it's impossible not to nap when you've been on the road for long. This specially designed car pillow for the cervical area aims at easing the muscle tension and reducing fatigue. It is made of memory foam with leather as an external cover, which maintains its structural integrity. So this car neck pillow is a must-have if you want your neck to be grateful to you. Record every moment of your driving journey with this stylish Full HD 1080p 170-inch wide-angle dash cam. You just have to plug it in the car charger and it is all ready to record. It comes with a 360-degree rotation and super night vision. It has an enormous memory of 32 gigabytes, and it got easy installation via sticker mount and sucker mount. You can choose the one that suits you better. Are you tired of removing those slippery spin-on type oil filters again and again? Well, say no more. This oil filter wrench is here for your rescue. All you need to do is place this three-legged tool on the oil filter and turn it anti-clockwise. Another great thing about this little monster is that it can work on a variety of oil filters and works well in confined spaces too. The steering wheel is the most used surface in a car and it can easily break down. This cover will reduce the wear and tear of your steering wheel and protect it with elegance. It's made of top quality leather and it provides you support and better control on the road. So this means less hand fatigue from now onwards. Want to give your car a new look? And that too on a low budget? These LED strips are here to save your day. Its installation is super easy. Clean these strips and glue them onto the headlamp of your car, or they're perfectly fine for interior use too. Plus, they're very flexible, so they can amazingly attenuate all the curves of your car. Want to upgrade the interior of your car and that too on a low budget? These LED car lights are the best buy for you then. This high-quality product produces less heat and can easily be controlled through a mobile application. This accessory provides a total of 64 different colors. Plus, for all the music lovers, these lights follow the beat of the music. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you the most. Bye-bye.